Okay, let's hit on two things. One, drunk driver slamming into a column, causing the collapse in the pool deck. We have to have the pool deck collapsing. I'll explain why in just another moment. First, you have to account for all those cars falling together at the same time below. You would then have a car that would be destroyed with a person in it, right? Didn't it fall on them? Oh no, this drunk driver got lucky. They hit the pool, the column. A column that has reinforced steel in it, that's reinforced in multiple directions depending on how the vehicle would be hitting it, impacting it at this low speed. You have them what? A drunk driver accelerating, going fast. I don't care what speed you have them at. Their car is going to get trashed. You got the interaction between the column and the car. Dead driver, crushed up car, damaged column. Damaged column. Could you hit the column and cause some vibration above at the pool deck? That's another story. But no, I don't have your 2 o'clock 80-year-old coming in drunk at 1:20, 1 o'clock in the morning, afternoon, coming in drunk, running their car into a column. Have you guys been drunk and run your car into a column before? Drunk drivers think they're going fast when they're really going slow a lot of times. They're usually not going fast. Did you say, so this person, they're blocking the engineer because they believe the proof of controlled demolition. All right, so I was starting to contact them. No. It's a 7-minute delay. Don't forget we have a 7-minute delay between the collapse, the falling of the floor, and the structure. So by people like whatever this thing is, a smiley, ugly face, in that case, you're on crack. All of you that's saying that it was done there, they got the worst demolition crew in the world, apparently, that want to kill 80-year-old Jewish people. Because, we can't, someone's linked, someone sent me something. We can't have those 80-year-old Jewish people living any longer, can we? That live in southern Florida, along with the other mix of nationalities that were in there. Well, we just wouldn't want that. And let's only damage this one section here. We wouldn't want to take out the rest of the building, would we? No, we wouldn't want that. All right, I'm being facetious. No demolition. All right, you can suck that pipe somewhere else. Now, crack pipe. This lady's very important to listen to this lady because she mentions in her 911 call around 2 o'clock, about 1:28 a.m. What is it? Right after the accident, she's clear of the scene now. But she makes the phone call. But she described how she observed the pool deck collapsing in. She jetted. She described how she woke up. So, there we go. Coming up now.
So basically, I started hearing.
120.
I woke up because I was hearing some noise. I couldn't understand what was happening. I looked outside and I saw the patio area started sinking down.
What started sinking?
The patio area, the pool area.
Uh-huh.
The pool area, the patio area. She observed. So she already observed some collapse. I don't know if she still observed the way she describes it, a continuation of the collapse. But let's see.
The pool area started sinking down.
Okay. We do show police and paramedics are on the way over there now. They should.
Down. The patio area, the pool area,
Uh-huh.
the pool area.
Now I'm going to tell you my bias.
So the patio area started sinking down.
Now I'm going to tell you how I have confirmation bias and how I can move to 2 positions now about the failure starting from that I can my confirmation bias and how I can move off of it. Still have the patio failing. All right. But what happens if I have my patio failing only per her statement? Well, then I could have this failing just by it collapsing, shearing off, falling separately. What if we can just get the patio failing only first, and then this is a secondary collapse is not observed? But we do have the lady from the park, this area, says she observed the cars. Did she not state, question to you guys, that she saw the cars disappear while she was still in the building? I've got so many witness statements, I'm starting to get my statements mixed up. This one observed the patio failure. Note she did not say car missing, but it doesn't mean the cars weren't already down. She just didn't observe the cars missing in her mind. Did we not have, question mark, this lady state that she saw cars down basically in the abyss? So I need to get my bias lined up here. Do we have this lady from 111, wherever it is? Did she state that cars were observed down in the hole? The parking garage, didn't she not state that she saw the parking garage disappear, not the pool deck? So do we first have the lady in the lobby stating the parking garage disappeared, and then we have the lady stating that she woke up and she noticed the pool gone? So was she not, from her view, I don't know which room she's in, or maybe she was in this building, would she not have observed only the pool area and not the car area? So we have, very important, this lady woke up after being woken up by a collapse. That collapse could have been just the pool only, and then this secondarily. But I need you guys to help me out. Get me lined up again with like do a little lifting again. Help me line up again that this lady stated from here she saw the pool of the cars collapse. She heard creaking, banging. She went to go complain. Was it creaking, clacking, banging? Was that the car area that fell down that she heard? And then did she observe that? And then we have this lady speaking at 1:20, 8 a.m. to the fire to 911. Is she observing from this building over here, which means she wouldn't be able to observe the cars below? Or is she observing from here? Do you guys know where she's from? Which part of the building that she is from? Please don't tell me it's the same lady. If it's just, I mean, you can, but if it's the same lady, now we don't have her observing cars first. So we could get this deck failing first, and then secondarily, after this collapse, we can get all of these just puncturing falling secondarily in one good clean move. What would be critical in this whole statement I'm just making is this right here at the ground, which they've already demolition and is gone, to see if there was interaction between the rebar here and here. We don't have images of that, do we? Oh, wait a minute. We do. We do have images of that. They're the images showing that the deck, 11 foot 10 and 11 foot 10 are the same plane. They're on the same plane. They break down together. Okay, so I know I sent your mind out on a chase on that one, but I want you to, how you think objectively and then how you cancel it out. We have it on the same plane. So the lady observed this lady saying she observed the pool collapse, and she woke up and saw what she observed. She then took off. Is she in this building over here? Where is she? Or is she over here? All right, so we listen to her again, the rest of her.
What started thinking?
The patio area, the pool area, the swimming pool area started sinking down.
So she observed the pool area progressive collapsing. The pool area started going down. So the pool area. She didn't say the flower pot area. She didn't say the building area. She said the pool area at our time of her observation. So at time of observation, live at 1:25 a.m. or 1:28 a.m., she's reporting it fresh in her mind what she observed. She did not say flower pot area. She did not say she saw the building falling down at the top. She's got the hell out of Dodge, but she states the pool area is what she observes.
It's your patio area.
Patio area.
Started sinking down. What was happening? I looked outside, and I saw the patio area started sinking down.
What started thinking?
The patio area, the pool area.
The patio area, the pool area. Okay? The patio area, the pool area.
Swimming pool area started sinking down.
Swimming pool area.
The patio area, the pool area, the swimming pool area started.
So she says swimming pool many times, not the plant area, not the front of the building area. She's specific about the pool area, swimming pool area, 3 times.
The patio area started sinking down.
What started thinking?
The patio area, the pool area, the swimming pool area.
So we get our wave back here, guys, and our wave goes back to the building, pulling deck ledger failure off. This is confirmation bias, but I tell you what, I got a witness confirming my bias.
started sinking down.
Okay. We do show police and
So-
paramedics are on the way over there now. They should be there by now.
Yeah, but there are many sorts of the building that went down. The building just went to the sinkhole. So there will be many people there.
Okay. Okay. We have police.
She believes it's a sinkhole at that point. Let's back her up.
The two things outside. Because I was hearing, basically, I started hearing.
Over there. What do you see?
A very large building collapse. Like the building next to us is gone.
How does the building is gone?
So basically, I started hearing. I woke up because I was hearing some noise. I couldn't understand what was happening.
So she hears the earthquake noise, right? Can't understand what happens. I get my boom. I get my boom over here. Wakes her up. She observes the pool area failure.
I looked outside and I saw the patio area started sinking down.
Started sinking down. Not sunk down, past tense, starting sinking down. Active. Confirmation bias, using her words.
What started
So,
thinking?
The patio area.
But even the lady that asked the question, the 911 operator, what started sinking, she knows it's an active statement declaration also. An act.
Outside and I saw the patio area started sinking down.
What started
So,
thinking?
So both of you, she heard it too under ED. Started.
The patio area, the pool area,
Uh-huh.
the swimming pool area started sinking down.
Pool area, swimming pool area, started sinking down.
Okay. We do show police and paramedics are on the way over there now. They should be there by now.
Yeah, but there are.
Okay, so there's my confirmation bias through some more data recording by 1:25 a.m. from a lady saying that she saw it sinking by the pool area. So we're back here. Here's my bias again. I've said initially in an image, I said I think it started right here. If you guys remember, I keep my images somewhere, IBB. So let's see, that would be over in Chrome. Here. So I keep some of them over here. I told you guys that. How do I get to them? Let me zoom out or escape. Okay. So my bias was right down here. The pool area started sinking down. This is all the one and the same. See, you don't see two fractures, single fracture going there. You don't see one higher that plane than the other. So this is a twofer. Escape. Now my bias is, as I've always stated, the butterfly right there. Oh, that was the butterfly video. Right here is where my bias is. And I think I'm a little more clear with my bias. One of these images looks like the way I loaded. The way I loaded them on here kind of puts them. There's the butterfly thing I talk about in the videos. Maybe I didn't load the butterfly one into the other image where I show the. I do it in a live video on the thumbnail. There you go. So this is my beginning, my bias, my failures in here. Possible ground zero, deck collapse confirmation required via photo of existing cracks before collapse, and it goes right across, and I have it buckling there. We talked about the grinding effect, the butterfly grinding the numbers off of here. You can see it remove the numbers. So I have that's my way. I have it this direction. We have numbers here. So I have the collapse going in this direction. You see our numbers are clear. Our numbers are slightly torn off there. Okay, end of video, but you heard the 911 call in my evaluation of it. Take care. Oh, please comment. I really need help on the algorithm on commenting. Thanks. And not just in the live chat, but over in the comment section. Thanks. Bye.